Tu moke
moke is a mōteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
Ko maua o te maunga, ko Tauranga te Moana, ko Ngāi rangi te iwi, ko Ngāti taua ti te hapu, ko te KUTAROA te marae, tēnā koutou, nau mai ki taku hau kāinga.
We are Ngāti Tauaiti, a hapu who was once situated with our whānau of Ngāi Tuwhiwhia. A decision was made to establish ourselves as Ngāti Tauaiti here at Whakarau, where our tūpuna Tauaiti once lived. We of Ngāti Tauaiti are the direct descendants of the union of Pūtutu and Tūkaki. Many of the familiar island family names are of this union. This whenua is called Whakarau and is part of the larger area known as Te KUTAROA. This name, Te KUTAROA, is from a special species of rush, a tall grass-like plant found here around this whenua, partially submerged in shallow water. KUTAROA was a popular resource for weavers. The long combs were harvested, placed under matting to flatten and woven into kete, kono and whāriki by our kuia raranga. Once dried, KUTAROA takes a beautiful golden shade and was also big and easier to weave with, making it the popular choice for whāriki.
Koira te ingo o tēnei marae ko, te KUTAROA, te kuta e ka bulrush. Tupu haere katoa i tātahi, tupu haere. E ne kōrero mai e a te kui, i moi tōna nei matenga. Koira wa rātau harakeke, hei mahi whāriki. Nā te mea, kāre te rā e whakahuri, kāre maroke ngā harakeke o te kuta.
Our marae here has two buildings, he whare moi, he whare kai. This marae serves the people of Ngāti Tauaiti, as well as the wider Matakana Island whānau, as a whakaruruhau, a place where we can return to keep our Ngāti Tauaiti home fires burning and be in touch with the symbolic area of our tūpuna. This complex is the result of the efforts made by the families of Ngāti Tauaiti to provide a place for us to maintain our herenga, our relationships to this land and its history. Te KUTAROA is used mainly for celebrations and whānau gatherings. Te KUTAROA marae, in all its splendour, was nearer the road that leads to the present marae site. Our original whare were Tauaiti, Te Wharenui, and Hineaurangi, Te Wharekai. In 1967, a Māori Affairs Land Amalgamation Act forced the closure of our marae, which left this pa in an unused state. Consequently, over many years, the marae became derelict and the decision was made to disassemble our whare. When Tauaiti, our whare tūpuna, was pulled down, his carvings were taken to our people at Ōpureora. You will find the Tauaiti upon the taumata kōrero, also named Tauaiti, at Ōpureora marae, as well as on the Ruruhau Manuhiri opposite on Hineaurangi, Tauaiti's wife. With the movement of parts of our whare to Ōpureora, this marae then served both the hapu of Ngāi Tuwhiwhia and Ngāti Tauaiti once again. Near to where our present site sits, there is a special and secluded freshwater spring in the middle of the harbour, called Te Puna o Tāwhiao. This spring was once a main source for the cooking and consumption at KUTAROA. Our puna remains secluded and is only accessible at low tide. It has been suggested that this spring was called Te Puna o Tainui, and on the occasion the second Māori king Tāwhiao visited it, it became Te Puna o Tāwhiao.